Now, what we are seeing as far as the rainfall goes, at least the system made its way through the New Orleans area pretty quickly. Obviously, there's still some bands, especially heavy pockets of rainfall directly to the east of New Orleans. So for some of those lower lying areas out into the Mississippi River Delta, they are still getting lashed with some very strong winds as well as these heavy rains. The bulk of that northeastern quadrant of the storm, which typically is the most damaging part of a hurricane, has worked its way well inland now. So the system is weakening now down to tropical storm status, but it has slowed down, and that means that as it's moving inland, it is just going to continue to pummel these areas, especially Louisiana and now Mississippi, with this very, very heavy rainfall as it slowly makes its way further inland. So levees did hold in New Orleans. The entire city is without power, though, but at least not a Katrina situation for New Orleans. Levees did hold, which is really, really good news. Now, as far as we go back here in the Bay Area, what we do have is dry conditions, just the opposite. Sure, we do have a wind from the coastline that is actually a sweeping wind, helping to push in and actually already helping us out with air quality a bit. We saw some improvements yesterday. Today comes along with gradual further improving conditions. And by the evening tonight into the start of tomorrow, we do have even better of air quality. Good meaning green air quality from San Francisco on up through much of the North Bay. Yellow, that means moderate, and that's for most of the Bay Area still. Oakland, Hayward, Mountain View, San Jose, Vacaville, as well as Napa, all still in that moderate category. Livermore on up into eastern Solano County, you are still in poor conditions as you are in far northern reaches of Sonoma County. Now, as far as winds go, as I mentioned, we're still going to continue to look at this wind pushing in from the coastline, a sweeping effect because of it, pushing on inland and helping us out as far as air goes, and also helping us out as far as temperatures go. We're in for quite the cool down after today. Today is not going to be as hot as we were over the weekend, but conditions out there are going to be at least a couple of degrees down. Still toasty, though. 70s to 80s right along the Bay Shore. San Carlos at 82. We've got Palo Alto at 79 degrees today. South Bay temperatures mostly in the upper 80s, but a few low 90s hanging on too. East Bay daytime highs anywhere from the 70s, 80s to 90s. Livermore at 96. We've got Oakland a nice 74 degrees. In the meantime, Danville, Walnut Creek, and Concord, you're still mid-90s today. Just shy of triple digits for Antioch and Vacaville at 99. So still hot, still hazy for our inland areas, but it is a start of a transition that really kicks into gear starting tomorrow. After today, we drop from 97 for our inland highs to 87 degrees. From Bayside areas in the low 80s and upper 70s to just the low 70s tomorrow. Air quality a little clear, so not as hazy for your Tuesday either. After that, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, these the nicest of the forecast. Barely low 80s for your daytime highs inland by this point. Also some much better air quality. Raina.
John, thanks for that. We are starting